How to record PowerPoint presentation with audio and video. So open up the PowerPoint presentation that you want to record with audio and video. So once you are here, then select up the slide from where you want to record. Okay, so I'm only selecting the first slide right here. Okay, once you select it, then from the top options you need to click on record here. Okay, now again you can see another record option. Simply click here, record from the current slide. At the top you can see this red icon, okay, which says start recording. Now you will also get your photo right here. Okay, and the computer will ask you for the access to camera and microphone that you need to allow here. Okay, so once you do that, then you need to click here on this start recording option, and then it will show up the countdown. Then keep on speaking. Hello, welcome to the PowerPoint for Mac. Quick access to commands, give feedback in comments, use the arrow in order to slide it. Okay, or it will also simply keep on going just like this. Okay, once you do that, once it ends, then the recording will simply stop. Okay, then you can click on end show right here. Okay, now you need to save it. So how you're going to save it? Click on file, at the top menu options, click on export. Now from the file format, click on MP4 or MOV. Okay, just like this, MP4. Presentation quality you can select it, click on export. You can see where it is exporting, where to desktop. Okay, click on export here. Now I'm going to the desktop here. So let me show you on the desktop. Presentation 6 is right here. Okay, so if I click it and play it, countdown, then keep on speaking. Hello, welcome to the PowerPoint for Mac. Now you can see it is playing perfectly. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Thank you.